everyone. Welcome to our show, AGI Computing in Action. I'm Katrina. Advantech has been expanding our role in the AGI market. Today, we have iService Vice President MC and Senior Director HS with us to talk about the latest smart retail trends. Let's start with an interesting question. MC, why our retail division called ICT Service and iRetail?
For sure, retail and hospitality is a clear domain market globally that covers the grocery, food and beverage, QSR, convenience store, and all hospitality market. But while, if we're driving through technology viewpoint, the interactive all-in-one, digital signage, self-service kiosk, edge AI are widely adopted everywhere. You can see those applications in airport, railway station, hospital, bank, enterprise. So I would like to bring a concept of ubiquitous in city services. That means everywhere to cover a broader market. That's why we name ourselves the ICT services and iRetail in this market.
I guess there are Advantech unique insight of the potential of retail market, right?
Yeah. So beyond the traditional POS, kiosk, and digital signage, that's we do see the big potential in the market's digital transformations. From Gartner's report, the potential market of edge computing in retail market will grow to 55.8 billion in 10 years' time, with 17% of compound growth rate. The smart self-services, that including self-ordering and self-checkout, and smart shelf management is now the hotspot, and edge AI and IoT-based store monitoring are the new growth area. So edge computer and edge AI will be the foundation for all of those booming applications.
Since MC mentioned the retail market potential, in the late 2024, we have a big news. Advantech acquired Auris, a French POS and kiosk company. So what business opportunity did you see behind this big move, MC?
Okay. When the first days that we met each other, we do saw the great synergies between Advantech and Auris. With 35 years dedication in retail market, Auris has extensive sales and service networking in Europe, Australia, and US with its unique design in POS and kiosk. And Advantech had wider product offerings with our own R&D and manufacturing. So the integration make A+A with global footprint, and we positioning that from good receiving to stock checkout AIoT solution enabled in retail and hospitality market.
And after hearing about Advantech's acquisition of Auris, let's take a look at whether NVIDIA shares a similar perspective. Recently, NVIDIA released the latest 2025 Megatrend report here. And one of key findings is that 55% of retailers already using AI in their operations. However, retail is a broad industry. So MC, what exactly are the practical application of AI?
I would say that should be more than 51% of the retailers already use the AI. So then from NVIDIA's and Intel, that's a big portion of retailers are using AI in its operation, like marketing content generating, inventory management, digital shoppings, AI agents in customer services. But while there are concerns and challenges about data privacy, data security, cost of AI implementations, AI talents, budgeting, ROI of AI investments. So that's those trends we see in retail market that will be the cost-effective and applications-focused AI solutions. I would say these two foundations will speed up the adoption of AI applications in retail market. So here I would like to bring HS to share with us that's what will be Advantech offerings that's to achieve this target.
Okay, thanks MC. I think when most people think about AI in retail, most cases are related to the precise marketing or martech or customer loyalty. But as MC mentioned, based on the rising of the edge computing and the AI technologies, using Vision AI combined with the large language model to optimize the in-store operation will become an increasingly important thing for retail to stay competitive. And for Advantech, we see this trend. So we developed two key major products and solutions. One is so-called the WISE iVision Suite. And this is designed to combine a lot of the mature and very popular AI analytic function model, and they can be installed close different kinds of hardware platform, as mentioned from the MC about the NVIDIA, Intel, or some new NPU card. And they can help the customer to do the install customer analytics, just like the people counting, or the heat map, or the loss preventions. So they can do this. This can use the video analytic function to increase the store manager efficiency. Another one we call the AI agent builders, and it's easy to use design platform for the LLM applications, and they allow retail to create their own generative AI service, like the triple or the virtual store assistants. Recently, part of our customers start to integrate the data from the Vision AI and their operation data into their own our platform to design and train their own AI agent to improve the customer service and operation efficiency, right?
Yeah. After we know the AI offering, I believe many people would like to ask this question. So what are the key differences between Edge AI, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek?
Yeah, it's a great question. But first, I would like to quickly describe what is the Edge AI. So it's deployment in the field side to process AI tasks locally. Use the local data, collect in the field with the spatial domain requirement. So compared with the cloud-based AI, the Edge AI can provide a faster AI output performance and enhance the data security because all the data and all the computing hardware platform are installed within the computer private network, and they can focus on the target application without any additional network connection. Okay, but on the other hand, I think ChatGPT is getting very popular. They are provide a lot of the private by the cloud-based language model, and they can use for the lot of the generic industry we know, but they are a proprietary model. Even they can update quickly and have very powerful computing in the cloud, but still a lot of the customer concern the data security, and the customer or company also cannot use their proprietary model to train based on the specialty purpose. So it's why the DeepSeek happened, because we know DeepSeek, they are open source. And besides, they also have very strong Chinese language capability, and this is a big market in the world. And using the DeepSeek, they also have spatial technology we call the distillation process. They can small size their AI model can be installed into the AI edge hardware. So more industry can leverage the generative AI technology with more cost-effective or more affordable pricing and into their industry application. So it's why the DeepSeek is coming so popular right now, right?
As we know, a lot of benefits come from AI. There is still a very practical concern. Do retailers need to build an AI talent pool before they implement AI applications?
Yeah, for sure. I think any new technology need to invest some resource to increase the ability. But I think for the AI, and there are a lot of the tool is becoming popular. So I think the retailer they did not need to recruit a lot of number of the technical AI researcher or the developers. But most important investment for retail, they still need to try to education their staff, employee to understand how to using the AI to design their application or how to leverage an AI tool to into their workflow. And if they can have this knowledge or ability, they can easily to use our solution, as I mentioned, iVision Suite or AI Agent Builder to design the solution or the function into their work. So in other words, it means they did not need to invest in lot of we call the AI talent, but need to input the AI the ability into the culture. Yeah.
Yes, and actually, based on your professional views, it seems that AI adoption isn't as difficult as it sounds.
Yeah.
However, does it require a lot of time to build AI models and training data?
Okay. Because we know the AI model is very time-consuming to train, so not a lot of the company will have the ability to train it. But for retail industry, it's very lucky because most of the scenario or case we are dealing with the human, right? So the human model, no matter it's a vision or the generative AI, it's the NVIDIA or the Intel already a lot of the ecosystem partner already design the mature model can be used directly. So if they did not have any spatial function, just want to pure the analytic to the customer behavior or do the interactive, they can use the existing AI. But if they have the spatial object or behavior need to spatial recognition, and our vision suite also offer a friendly model training platform. They can use our platform to input the content to do the quickly training for them. And another one, our AI agent builder, they can also have some fine-tuning tool, can change some of the setting of the current existing open source AI model. Okay, so I think this is not very cost effective, but still can be used to have some spatial function in retail. Yeah.
Okay, and besides AI applications, MC, are there any other important megatrends that we must know about?
Actually, there are many, but I would like to mention about the big megatrends. That's as I mentioned in Gartner's report, the megatrend in ICS and iRetail is about the self-service market. So start from the self-service, self-checkout in airport, self-ordering in QSR, self-service counters is now happening everywhere. It's really everywhere. For example, the self-checkout counters enabled by self-scannings, e-payments, and also the RFID technologies, and vision AI voice assistant in driving through meal ordering. Okay, I'm really amazed how fast the market is growing in Europe in my last trips to Europe. So for the self-services, it's not about kiosk hardware only. It needs new services flow design, intuitive user interface, user experience design, new counter design, and of course, the AI assistant functions. So Advantech is now building all the function blocks, and we are ready for these burning applications.
Okay, thanks MC sharing your travel experience. Then, HS, can you share self-service successful cases for us, and what benefits did retailers get after adoption?
Okay, I can currently for the self-service application with the AI, mainly falling into the two categories. One is we call the product consulting. Another one is the checkout service. So currently, the retail challenge, like the labor shortage or the inconsistent service quality, we are receiving a lot of demand of our customer to try to transform their existing digital signage into AI. So they try to combine the vision AI and the Gen AI to deliver the personal product advice. So this approach can help some more complicated retail channel, just like the electric store or the beauty or pharmacy store. And even that, there are some new employee also use this solution to get the more product information to support the customer. I think this is a very significant trend. They can try to reduce their internal training or also boost the customer the confidence to increase their willingness to buy. I think this kind of solution will be getting more and more popular combined with the kiosk together.
Wow, it sounds very practical and brilliant. After speaking with MC and HS today, let's wrap up some key findings. Firstly, Advantech is an enabler to help retailers seamlessly adopt AI applications. With Advantech's strong edge computing solution, retailers can enjoy the benefit from AI without heavy investment or recruiting a lot of talents. Secondly, as self-service applications are expanding globally, Advantech is ready to embrace the megatrend with retailers. What other smart retail megatrend or AI insights are you curious about? Drop a comment below and we will invite more industry experts to share their thoughts. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.